Encore Events and Promotions journey began in the year 2013. We as young entrepreneurs built this organization with a passion and a drive to deliver world-class events. We began operations with limited funding which was gathered from the previous salary that was earned. Our hands-on experience, knowledge and commitment has brought us a long way in this journey. And today, we are proud to be one of the leading event company in Pune. During the 7 years, our client base has primarily increased as an outcome of referrals due to the outstanding work that we delivered for our clients over the years. At the initial stages, we were very dependent on third-party vendors for logistical support, which was highly inconvenient and not cost-effective. As an outcome of which, we decided to procure all the material and built a 10,000 square feet warehouse. This decision not only made us self-sufficient, but also made us capable to reduce the cost incurred by the client. Also, it has helped us in providing the unique, creative, and viable setups to our clients. Taking thought of Kennedy, crisis is a combination of danger and opportunity. We chose to seize this opportunity during the global pandemic and give clients the experience to migrate from physical events into the virtual world.
So what exactly has changed in the event space over the years? Like any other industry, the only aspect to be addressed is the need for innovation or innovative thinking, high quality delivery at competitive pricing. Since today's clients are very well informed, the expectations are higher and decisions are quicker. Since they have so many options to choose from, it is really critical that you seize this opportunity by reading the fine print and suggesting options that are unique, simple yet stunning, and within the client's budget. This pandemic has been a tough one, and everyone was forced to move out of their comfort zones and come up with innovative ways for organizational sustenance. It was and is still the need of the hour to give our clients opinions or options to move forward seamlessly and deliver near-to-real events with the help of technology. The other question on everyone's mind is, can't we simply go back to normal like the way it was before? While it is tempting to reassuringly respond yes, we do believe that we have evolved into an age of hybrid events. And I personally feel that it would be a blend of both virtual as well as physical events until and unless the pandemic is totally under control. And we are totally geared up for that, since we believe, that the show must go on.
Over a period of time, we have evolved majorly from doing small corporates to doing large corporate events, moving to weddings, and recently doing a completely alien concept of virtual from physical events. Owing to our well-experienced team, we have been able to execute these virtual events seamlessly, though initially we had to do immense research and testing our concepts with technology as a new partner. However, now we feel as though it was never an alien concept. As it is so well put by our late President and one of the greatest person in history, APJ Abdul Kalam, that confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease known as failure. We have been able to successfully execute virtual events in the last quarter, which include team building activities, DJ nights, award functions, theme parties for our client, some of which include Sany, My Home Move, Vodafone, John Deere, both IT and factory, IMAN, Quick Heal, VMware. Some of these companies are also listed among the top 500 Fortune companies. We have been able to execute what very few event companies have been able to achieve. Our most recent for one of our clients' flagship events was under the Galaxy theme. This 2 hours award event was executed to perfection from the time of inception to delivery. Due to the COVID scenario, no award ceremonies were being done in person. we ideated and suggested using the concept of using 3D avatars as an alternate, which was very well received by our clients. Today, we are proud to be known as the pioneers of this concept in India. We are glad to say that we were able to achieve 95% replication of actual awardees and the presenters. We have used a mix of our very own Chroma Studio, which includes lights, sound, animators, VFX, high-end movie shoots with teleprompters, 3D designers, and concept writers. Looking at the future, we would say that we have moved currently to hybrid events and our own capability to deliver hybrid and physical events parallelly. With the current scenario, I would say that most of the industries have already opened up immediately after the lockdown, but have moved from physical to the virtual platform. There are a lot of companies that are using meetings and webinar platforms for business continuity. However, they all come with a certain limitation. Hence, they have chosen to slowly move on to live streaming, integration through microsites, which is a gradual development, keeping in their primary focus of data security and employee engagement. Live streaming and microsites give them the ability to get the physical event into the comforts of each of the employees' house and giving them a personal experience. Lastly, it is said, all birds find shelter during the rains, but eagles avoid the rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but attitude is what makes a difference. That's where we come in.